I am Mahinwasi and I'm working over here as a product analyst. So we recently worked on this big feature, Azure Cognitive Services, in which what we did basically that we integrated Azure Cognitive Services in Vidismo. And now by using that, what you can do is utilize AI services on premise as well, which will end up making your data much more secured than ever before. And additionally, you can also use it on cloud as well. So as an analyst, for me, my priority was to make all the processes that are taking place during the execution to make it configurable for the user, to give user as much of control as possible. But at the same time, I want to keep it very user friendly. I came up with multiple ideas. We designed several UIs. And at last, we were able to finalize one design for cognitive services, which we think that it was very good. It was user friendly, and at the same time, it was covering all the technical and minute details that users should have control. We are generating multiple insights like OCR, optical character recognition, which ends up converting your textual images into searchable forms. You can generate keywords, and yes, most importantly, transcription like speech to text, which can even now be generated for your multilingual content. And additionally, you can also auto-detect languages in your content. So you don't have to provide one language. You can just provide enough detection languages and run detection, and you can get whatever language. You can transcribe your content in no time.
Hi, I'm Shakil Ibrahim. I work as a product engineer here at Softech Worldwide. One of the key challenges of integrating this feature with Vidismo was to somehow fit it in with the existing Vidismo architecture. So we implemented a total of 4 cognitive services provided by Microsoft, and we had to implement them module by module so that if tomorrow we decide to integrate some other service with it, it's easily feasible and manageable. So we implemented a total of 4 services, namely speech language identification, speech to text, key phrase extraction, and OCR. So there is some degree of dependency between these services, so we had to really think about choosing the right programming tools and techniques. Overall, it was a fairly simple and interesting project to work on.
My name is Bilaluddin Ahmed. I work here as a front-end engineer, and the feature that our team was assigned was Azure Cognitive Services. The main work that need to be done on front-end was related to the configuration model for the Azure Cognitive Services, in which certain fields were to be hidden based on certain criteria. We already had an implementation of dynamic forms, but that needs to be extended in such a way that it could fulfill the requirements. We were able to expand it due to the reason because we were following solid principles. As we added the required functionality, also need to take care that it could be expanded in future as well. This was the first time I explored dynamic forms and even got the opportunity to even expand its design functionality for our application.
If you are interested in knowing more about the feature that we have produced, you can find the link somewhere below in the description box and you will be directed to our help desk. Thank you.